I am back with you with a video on the beautiful state in the northeast of India, which is Nagaland. Nagaland, most of you would be feeling, is difficult to reach, but I assure you, on the contrary, it is very easy to reach Nagaland and visit the various places even in the interiors easily. So my effort in this video on the beautiful state of Nagaland would be to guide you on how to visit Nagaland as also see the beautiful places there. And today the one place I will focus on is Mokokchung. I am sure many of you would have heard about Mokokchung. So let me tell you, friends, Mokokchung is the third biggest center in Nagaland after the biggest trading center Dimapur and the capital Kohima. Mokokchung is the third biggest place in Nagaland. Mokokchung is beautiful. The landscape, the verdant landscape has to be seen to be believed, and the kind of pleasure you get on seeing the natural beauty is indescribable. So it's a must visit place, friends, and reaching Mokokchung is very easy. How you can reach is that you can go to Jorhat. Jorhat is a major city of Assam. Jorhat has an airport also where flights operate from Delhi, Kolkata and some more centers. So you can choose your flight to reach Jorhat. From Jorhat, Mariani is very near, which is the railhead. So you can travel to Mariani and onwards to Mokokchung. And as I said, Mariani being the railhead, you can come to Mariani by rail also. The important train Rajdhani Express from New Delhi to Dibrugarh goes via Mariani. You can drop at Mariani and then by road onwards to Mokokchung. So the choice is yours. Either by train you can come to Mariani and drive down to Mokokchung, or you can land at Jorhat by air and then drive down to Mokokchung. Friends, Mokokchung is beautiful, as I said. The flowers there are in abundance, beautiful flowers of various hues, and I will show you a glimpse of the flowers there. In fact, let me take you through to the flowers of Mokokchung. There is a picture with me. So these are the flowers, friends. So natural flowers, just see, yellow ones, again yellow flowers blooming on the bushes there. Then you have a pink one in the bushes again. Then these are vines. These have climbed the tree and flowering there, beautiful purple flowers. And these are the red ones, gladiola. So you can see how beautiful everything is. So friends, this is the vegetation, natural beauty, greenery, verdant landscape of Mokokchung, which you will enjoy once you come there. Besides, there are many famous things, many good things which can be consumed also. The one thing is ginger. You know, in these days of COVID-19 pandemic, ginger is taken as a good antidote to the virus, and I am sure Mokokchung can be the sourcing capital for ginger all over the country. So I exhort the other cities, the traders in other cities, to source their ginger from Mokokchung. Then friends, in the season cucumber is there, and the Mokokchung cucumber is absolutely brilliant. It is very soft, has lot of water in it, and you don't have to exert yourself and put in much effort in eating it. It almost melts in your mouth. So please eat Mokokchung cucumber. Then friends, the city of Mokokchung is the main center of the Ao tribe of Nagaland. So the majority of Ao tribe you can find in Mokokchung. It is one of the major tribes there, and in fact this tribe adopted Christianity first of all, and as a result they had good education, and in government services in Nagaland the Ao tribe dominates. So Mokokchung has a leading place in Nagaland that way. People from here are numerous in the government services in Nagaland, and in fact the Chief Minister of Nagaland earlier, Dr. S.C. Jamir, was from Mokokchung. His village was Ungma. He belonged to Ungma village, and because of the public service and his work in the public affairs, the government of India in 2020 awarded him the third highest civilian honor, which is the Padma Bhushan. So that is the importance, that is the height to which people from Mokokchung have reached in public life in the country. Dr. S.C. Jamir studied in Kolkata, and then he studied in Allahabad University and took a degree in law from Allahabad University, and in fact he was conferred a doctorate, honorary doctorate from the University of Vietnam. So that was the kind of service put in by Dr. S.C. Jamir, and he was later anointed as Governor of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa and Odisha also. So very long public service he had a record of. So you can visit his village, Ungma village, and in Mokokchung, Ungma is the second largest village, friends, and the oldest and the largest of the Ao tribe reside here, and it is called the birthplace of Ao tribe. Ungma is called the birthplace of Ao tribe, and the people of this village have taken extra care to preserve the Ao culture and tradition. So you can have a first-hand view of the culture and tradition of Ao tribe once you visit Ungma. Mokokchung is a getaway in the lap of nature, and the cuisine, the food is rich, colorful and adventurous in its non-vegetarian form, and the vegetarian dishes are limited, so you have to decide and plan what to eat there. Non-vegetarian, no problem, lot of colorful dishes there, but vegetarian dishes, very limited choices are available, and you have to beforehand be ready what you will eat there. So that is one thing. Second thing, regarding alcohol, Nagaland is a dry state and alcohol is barred there. However, a local variety of alcoholic drink is available, which is called rice beer. So it is always better when you are there to taste the local alcohol, which is the rice beer. Please have a taste of it. Friends, one more important village near Mokokchung is your Longkhum. Longkhum, they say, has to be visited again and again. A single visit to Longkhum is not enough. Once you have visited Langkum and come back, your soul stays behind and you have to return again to get it back. Such is the beauty of this place, Langkum. And another important thing available there is rhododendrons atop the hills. And this pretty place, Langkum, is also known for its exquisite handloom and handicrafts. You can buy some beautiful shawls, beautiful jackets, and beautiful gamusas also. You know, gamusa is a sign of honor in the northeast. So if you want to honor people whom you meet or come across, you can buy gamusas and take home. And beautiful jackets. One of the jackets you can see on me also just now. So these jackets, and there I must tell you there are different jackets for different tribes. All this you can buy and take home. These are available at very affordable prices. Then Umma, I have a photograph also, friends, which I will show to you. And thereafter I would tell you about the Molung village. Molung village is famous for bringing Christianity to the land of the Nagas. So this is the place where the first American missionary came and started Christianity there in Nagaland. Then friends, in Mokokchung and around Mokokchung several beautiful places are there. I will explain to you what are those places again through a PowerPoint. I have a PowerPoint with me. Please wait, I will open it for you. So these are the places, friends. Just see, this place is in Mokokchung. There is a beautiful park developed there. In this park you will find several beautiful sculptures made of wood, and this is the hanging bridge there, which is used to cross this lake. You can go across this hanging bridge in the Mokokchung. This is the sculpture made of wood which I was talking about. Again, a sculpture of wood. You can see this sculpture indicates your this bird, state bird of Nagaland. Then this is a scenery of the city. How beautiful, you can see Mokokchung from this is the viewpoint. In fact, you can climb on the viewpoint and see the city, and this will be the view of the city from the viewpoint. How beautiful the city is. And I was telling you about the state bird of Nagaland. Hornbill is the state bird of Nagaland, and every year from 1st December to 10th December a big major festival is held, which is called the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland. So this is the beautiful city of Mokokchung as seen from the viewpoint. And this is a place near Mokokchung called Chanki. Chanki is a viewpoint again. People stop there while coming back to Jorhat from Mokokchung, and from the viewpoint they can have a look of the valleys and the hills. And there is a cemetery there in Chanki. This is also very beautifully built. People will stop here also. This is the viewpoint, friend, Chanki. You can see clearly it is written there, Chanki. People come here, stand here, take selfies and have a view. And this is the famous Naga drum, friends. This drum is for twin purposes. One is by beating the drum, messages are relayed, and second, inside this drum, it is a hollow drum, the rice is beaten to make the rice beer, which I was telling you about. So these are the twin purposes of this drum, and they have built a face, painted a face on it to make it so beautiful. And this is a house of the Ao tribe, friends. You can see clearly the distinct roof of the Ao house, how it is built. And this is from Ungma village, which I told you was the village of Dr. S.C. Jamir, previous Chief Minister of Nagaland. So this was at the Ungma Baptist Church. And this monument is erected by Ao Students Conference in commemoration of its Golden Jubilee. This is again a monument. You can climb it, and from the top you have a view of the city. And this is a very important place in Mokokchung. This is called Stone Bridge. So it is said that this stone bridge is very long. We could not dare to go very far because it was deserted at the hour we went there. But locals travel on this stone bridge to far off villages, it is said. And this is one great leader of Mokokchung. His memorial is built here. So these were the scenes from Mokokchung, friends. And I will again say at the cost of repetition that it's a beautiful place. You must visit, and there is nothing like any problem, any difficulty. Generally people have a wrong notion in their minds that it is very difficult to visit, but nothing of the sort. You can easily visit it. Very peaceful, comfortable place, and lot of enjoyment you will get out of your visit to Mokokchung. So this was all about Mokokchung, friends. If you like the details, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel with your friends, your acquaintances, in your groups, and please encourage other people to subscribe to my channel. Please like the video and share it in your groups, and please press the bell button also. So in Nagaland, this is on Mokokchung, and in the next video on Nagaland I will take you through to the capital Kohima. Again a very beautiful hill station, and beautiful place of beautiful people, beautiful place where Hornbill Festival is held. It is the place where the Naga leader Fizo belonged. So I will be touching on all those. So for the time being, friends, good night, enjoy your evening, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and please press the bell button also. Good night.